In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Cash App account in Nepal. Now, unfortunately, there is no official way to download it in Nepal. However, there are a few workarounds that we could do in order to attempt to create a Cash App account in Nepal. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys, before we even get started, this process is a little bit complex and can even get a little convoluted. So honestly, I recommend just using a Cash App alternative entirely, especially if you're in Nepal, because the process is just incredibly frustrating to work with. But anyways, if you're still firm on trying to make a Cash App account in Nepal, here are things that you would need to do. Number one, you will need to get a reliable VPN service. You will need to download a reliable VPN service like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Proton VPN. And basically, you want to set yourself up in a server that is located in the United States or the United Kingdom. And on top of that, you guys will need to obtain a United States phone number. And you could do so by using a virtual phone number. And there's many services out there like Google Voice, TextNow, MySudo, or Burner. Now, depending on what service you get, you may need to pay a monthly subscription. So again, just keep that in mind. And it's really important that you take all these factors into consideration. And this also contributes to why I said it's honestly better to just use a Cash App alternative entirely. But anyways, let's say you have your virtual phone number and you also have a VPN, then you can go ahead and download the Cash App application. And it is going to ask you to put in your full name, your date of birth, and also it is going to make you enter a SSN or a social security number. Now, obviously, if you're watching this video in Nepal, chances are you likely don't have that. And do not worry, because you are still able to create a Cash App account without social security number verification. However, there are restrictions on your account. For starters, you're only limited to sending $250 per week, and you're only limited to receiving $1,000 per month. And that is part of the reason why I say it's honestly better to use a Cash App alternative entirely. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.